1,932 miles straight from Houston to New York, let me show you what the Wash and Shine 66 system does to a bike like this. Bugs, road grime, no hose, no water, just this. Spray it on, wipe it off, buff it dry. Let's clean the right side. Same procedure. Spray, one wipe. See that? That's instant crawler technology pulling the dirt straight off the paint. Buff dry. Clean. But we're not done. Looks clean and shiny, right? But if we look closer, we see the micro swirls as we clean the surface. This is what we use now. This is NanoGloss Shield. Ceramic protection. Goes on after the clean, not instead of it. Spray. Buff until shine. Now watch the difference. Right side cleaned, but with micro swirls visible because the cleaning process stripped away temporary fillers and contamination. Left side, no swirls anymore, just stunning mirror shine. The coating bonds to the paint, and look how water rolls straight off. Now watch this awesome before and after transformation. This is what the Pro system does to it. That's not all. It works on any surface. I will show it to you on chrome too. Spray, wipe, and see what's coming off. Right there on that towel. This is why we say, clean first, protect second. That's the system. That's Wash and Shine 66 Pro. I know what you're thinking. Waterless on a bike this dirty? I just showed you it works. But if you don't believe in waterless, we got you covered. Just rink your bike first with a hose, then do exactly what you just watched me do. Same product, same result. Wet or waterless, your choice. Ride free, ride clean. Get the Pro Kit at bestmotorcyclecleaner.com.